This is sort 40 of the Yellow Book, and today we are looking at the final sounds of the word that end in CE, VE, SE, or ZE. Particularly, we're looking at the fact that when you have a CE ending, you often have a S sound, such as in the word chance. And then in our SE ending, we also often have a Z sound, such in the word as please. Contrast this with ones that actually end in ZE, like freeze. You can hear that I have the similar sound. And lastly, we have the VE ending, like move. And the thing to remember about those are that with the Z and the VE ending, English has very few words that end in Z and very, very few words that end in V, if any. In fact, the only one that I could think of was the diaper brand Love, which is not even a real word. It's a brand. So, those are our sorts. I'm going to go ahead and move our letters. This is not really a sound-based sort, although, like I mentioned, these two sound similar. Or, sorry, this one has a different sound and these ones are similar sounds, and so you can notice that. It's more just looking for the pattern. So we have leave, glove, choose, dance, fence, you can hear that S sound, shove, bounce, prove, house, loose, glance, back and forth, snooze, peace, tease, cheese, peace, 12, prince, seize, and solve. Notice that we have a homophone this week, peace and peace. So make sure you listen to the difference for those in the test. And we also have two words, loose and house, that actually have a little bit of a different sound than tease, cheese, loose, house. It doesn't end in that same Z sound. And so let's just be aware that they still fit in this category because we're looking at spelling patterns versus sound patterns. Or I guess ending patterns versus sound patterns, but those have a different sound. If you need help remembering how to spell loose, just remember it rhymes with things like goose, which also has two O's, or caboose, like of a train, which has two O's, and that will help you.